evening. May I ask you some few questions about our research? Um, First question natin. Those are deep respect for authority like using po and opo keep our society orderly, or does it stop young people from speaking up when they have better ideas?
Yes, I think using po and opo symbolizes respect. Pero minsan, napipigilan din ang mga kabataang mag-speak up kahit may better ideas sila kasi natatakot silang maging bastos or tawaging bastos and walang respeto.
Question number 2 ate. Is our bayanihan and utang na loob our greatest strength, or does the pressure to provide for the whole family hold individuals back from succeeding?
Yes,
For what reason po ate?
malaking strength natin ang bayanihan at utang na loob kasi sobrang solid ng family support system natin. Pero minsan yung pagtulong sa buong family natin pwedeng makadelay sa pagkamit ng goals natin. So, yun.
What do you think the word bahala na is a sign for our incredible resilience and faith, or is it an excuse for a lack of discipline and planning?
Para sa akin, ang bahala na pwedeng maging sign ng faith at resilience lalo na kung may hirap ang sitwasyon. Pero kung sobra, magiging excuse siya para hindi maplano o maging disciplined.
Those are focused on harmony make us a kinder nation, or those it make us too tease instead of demanding better conditions?
Maganda na focus tayo sa harmony kasi mas caring at understanding ang culture natin. Pero minsan magiging sobrang tiis tayo, kaya imbes na maging mag-demand ng better conditions, tinatanggap na lang natin ang hindi tama.
Thank you po ate for your cooperation for this interview.